We're going to make egusi soup with black fish, just small, just little for me, just a little for me. So in here I have black fish, maggi, salt, pepper, crayfish, and my pepper with red oil, just how they taught me. So when it boils over and it's ready, I will now add the egusi and all of the spices, just a little. They didn't teach me much. So how they taught me is you mash this together and make sure, oh see, I'm throwing it away, but it doesn't matter, and mash it together. So I finished mashing the egusi. It's now time to put it. I put it like that, like this. Hold on. So I finished putting everything. I'll have to wait for it and cover it and wait for it to boil. Then I stir and add my final leaf. So we're going back to look at our egusi soup progress so far. So what it looks like, is it looking pretty yet? Looking pretty. Pot is very big, but well, few more minutes, we'll come back again. We're back. That is what it looks like so long. Our egusi soup is turning into shape. So our secret spice is bitter leaf. Bitter leaf helps with the intestine. It helps you clear off the intestine. Helps to, well, this is the progress. Like we all know, bitter leaf takes away all the oil in the sauce, remaining just, of course you can do with fish, you can do with fresh meat, you can do with steak, you can do with anything. I just like to eat bitter leaf and fish, that's all. See you when I'm about to eat. Well, this is our final look of our bitter leaf soup with fish, black fish to be precise. I hope that you make yours and share in the comment section. Bon appetit!